Submitting documents to Chase Bank for account approval is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your documents are submitted correctly. Step 1. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary documents needed for account approval. This typically includes identification such as a driver's license or passport, proof of address like a utility bill, and any additional documents specified by Chase. Step 2. Access your account online. Log into your Chase Bank account through their official website or mobile app. If you do not have an account yet, you may need to create one or visit a local branch for assistance. Step 3. Navigate to document submission. Once logged in, locate the section for account approval or document submission. This may be found under Account Services or Customer Support. Follow the prompts to reach the document upload area. Step 4. Upload your documents. Select the files you wish to upload from your device. Ensure that the documents are clear and legible. Follow any specific file format or size requirements outlined by Chase. Step 5. Confirm submission. After uploading, review your documents to ensure everything is correct. Submit the documents and wait for a confirmation message or email from Chase indicating that your submission has been received. Thank you for following these steps. If you have any further questions, consider reaching out to Chase Customer Support for assistance.